Good morning students. In this video I am going to discuss the chapter 8, that is percentage and its applications. This is the fifth video on this chapter. So already I have sent the notes of the solved exercises on this chapter, and if any doubt is there you can refer these videos. Okay, in the last videos I have told the some of the formulas relating to profit and loss. Okay, and today also we'll discuss some of the word problems based on this profit and loss concept. Okay, look at this question. The question says that by selling a washing machine for rupees how much? 11,400, a dealer loses 5%. For how much should he sell this machine to gain 5%? So first of all, in a word problem or a story problem, we have to see what are the data is given, that is the input data, and what you have to find out. Here it is given that the selling price by selling a machine for rupees 11,400 means that is the selling price. So what is given here? Selling price equal to rupees 11,400. Okay, and what are other data is giving here? It loses 5%, that means it is giving the loss of 5%. so how much the loss is giving here, or the loss percentage is giving here 5%. For how much should he sell? Again it is asking that, again you have to find out the selling price when the gain percentage, the profit percentage is 5%. so everything in profit and loss depend upon the cost price. Okay, here cost price is not given, so we have to take the cost price as x. Some other method also there, you can take the cost price as 100. In my method I am taking the cost price as x. Okay, so let us solve. So let CP, what is CP? CP means the cost price equal to x. So by selling this much amount, 11,400, a dealer loses 5%. So what is always the profit and loss is depend upon the cost price. So it loses 5% of what? Of the cost price. So how much? So CP of x. So what is this price? Selling price then? So SP equal to x. X means what? The cost price. So cost price, so minus cost price minus the loss amount equal to the selling price. So what is the loss amount? That is 5x. 5x of 100, that means 500. 5 upon 100 means 5%. So 5% of what? Of x. X is what? That is the cost price. Okay, so cost price minus 5% of the cost price equal to the selling price. Okay, so how much it is? Let's find out. X minus 5x upon 100. So let's find out this one. 100 into x, that is 100x minus 5x upon 100. So 100 minus 5x, that is 95x upon 100. So 95 upon x, 95x upon 100 is equal to the selling price when the cost price is x. But in this question the selling price is given that 11,400 when loss is 5%. Okay, so we can write here, or 11,400 equal to 95x upon 100, or 95x equal to 11,400 into 100 upon 95. Let's simplify it. In 95 table how much it will multiply, so that you will get 11,400. So if you multiply 95 with 12, how much you are getting? So 2 5s are 10, 0 1 9, 1 5s are 5, 1 9s are 9. So 0 4 here, so 9 1 10 11, 1 1 4 0. So if you multiply here 120, if 95 multiplied with 120 is equal to 11,400, 95 into 120 is equal to 11,400 into 100. So 120 into 100 is 12,000. Okay, so what is 12,000? 12,000 you got here, that is the x amount. Okay, so you can write that is x is equal to 12,000. Now we have to find out, so already x you got, x means the cost price you got. Then the next part of the question say that how much should he sell. So it is saying that how much you have to find out the selling price, so that the profit will be 5%. So 5% of this amount. So what is the selling price? Again you have to find out. Again selling price you have to find when profit or gain is 5% is equal to, so cost price plus profit amount. So what is the cost price? That is 12,000 plus 5% of the cost price, that is 5 upon 100 into the cost price. So 5% of the cost price, that is 12,000. So here this is simplify it. So equal to 12,000 plus 600. How much? 12,000 plus 600 equal to 12,600, and this is the answer. Okay, so question asking how much should he sell. He should sell in 12,600, so that he will get the gain of 5%. Okay, now look at the next question. The question says that a farmer sold 2 bullocks for rupees 18,000 each, means one bullock cost how much? 18,000. On one he gained 20% and the other he lose 20%. Find his loss or gain percent on the whole transaction. So we have to find out first cost price, because here selling price is given. We have to find out the cost price. If we find out the cost price, then easily it will be, the question will be solved. Okay, so the first bullock how much? Bullock CP equal to, in the first case he how much? He gained 20%. So CP equal to 100 upon 120, because 100 plus the gain percent is 20. So 120 into SP is how much? 18,000. In both case SP is given 18,000. Solve it, this one 0 cut here. So 10 into 18,000 by 12. If you simplify it, how much you will get here? It will be around how much? 15,000. Okay, so 15,000. Now in the second case, second bullock CP equal to, here it loses 20%. So 100 minus 20 how much? That is 80 into, what is SP? SP is 18,000. So how much? It will be around, so 8 if you minimize it, so it will get 30, so 22,500. So you will get 22,500. So simplify it. Okay, so in the second bullock you will get 22,500. So here you got both the CP, cost price of both the bullock. Now find out the total cost price, because in the whole transaction you have to find out the total selling price and cost price, then you will get the profit and loss on the whole transaction. Okay, so total cost price, total CP, total cost price how much? 15,000 plus rupees 22,500. So how much it will be? Here 5 is there, 2 plus 2 is there, then 2 plus, sorry, this one. So 15,000 plus 22,500, 0057, 37,500. Okay, So the total cost price is equal to 37,500. And what is the total selling price? Because here farmer sold 2 bullocks and 1 bullock is selling 18,000. What is the selling price of the 2 bullocks? So the selling SP, total SP equal to 2 into 18,000. So 18 2 is 36,000. So we got the total selling price is equal to 36,000 and the total cost price is 37,500. So which is more? The cost price is more. That means it is a clear case of loss. Okay, whenever there is a cost price is greater than the selling price, it is a case of loss. So how much loss? Let's calculate. So therefore loss equal to 37,500 minus 36,000. It is equal to how much? Let's do minus 37,500 and 36,000. Okay, 5 here, 761. So 1500 you got here is 1500 is the loss amount. Okay, now we have to find out the question what is given, loss or gain, percent on the whole. Okay, so we have seen that this is a case of loss. Already got that loss is 1500 and next we have to find out what is the loss percentage. So therefore loss percentage, what is the formula of loss percentage? That is loss upon cost price. Loss upon CP, cost price into 100. So what is loss here? 1500 upon what is the cost price of 2? That is 37,500 into 100. Just simplify it. How much you will get? That is equal to 4%. Okay, if you simplify this one, that is equal to 4%. So 1500 upon cost price is 37,500 multiplied by 100, because here percentage we have to find out. So that is equal to 4%. I hope you understand these two questions today, and in home you practice other word problem. Okay.